In this tutorial, we'll check how to display Instagram account on your signage. For that, click on your username, go to Settings. On the left menu, choose Integration Accounts. Now, on the top box, hit Add Account and then Add Instagram Account. The platform will redirect you to Instagram page. Now you have to log in to your account. Well, now we are done with integrating our Instagram account into the platform. So now let's go to Content page. We will create the Instagram app. For that, click on New and App. On the pop-up window, look for Social Networks on left menu. Now there are two Instagram apps. Let's begin with this one. Let's fill this form right now. First is name the app. This is only for your reference. Below there is the Instagram account we have just set up. Below we can choose the duration of each photo, how long it's going to be displayed. I will change it to 5. Then you can choose in which language the elements of Instagram are displayed. These are the languages available right now. You can enable caption text and also change the number of posts. Remind that the maximum is 20. If you're ready, just click on Preview. There you are. If you're okay with it, just click on Save. And there you are. As any other app on the system, you can right-click and add it to a new campaign or a new playlist. Now let's try the second type of app. Click on New, App. Again, choose Social Networks. And now let's go for Instagram Grade. Now let's fill this form. First option is naming it. Then you can choose the Instagram account. Then you can choose the number of photos you're going to display simultaneously. You're limited to 20 photos. Now we'll change for 3 only. You can also change the language as the other app and hit on Preview. There you are. Click on Save. And there you are. Now you can add it to playlists or campaigns.